Good morning, dear learners. So before going to start to learn what is exactly the fixture, the knockout fixture, we need to understand three basic terms which are used in making fixture. The first term that I am going to talk about is bye. What is bye? Bye is a sort of privilege given to a team, and the team who got bye will directly play the second round. First round will not be played by a team who got bye. So let's say there are 5 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's say if this bye, fifth team got bye. Okay, so there will be the match of these two teams and these two teams. In the second round, there will be the match of this team. Alright, so it is very important to know that bye is a sort of privilege given to a team and they will directly play the second round. And again there is a most important concept, how to give in bye, how to distribute bye in upper half and lower half. First bye is always given to the last team of lower half. Second bye is always given to the first team of upper half. Okay, first team of upper half. And here first bye is given to the last team of lower half. Third bye is always given to the first team of lower half. And fourth bye is always given to the last team of upper half. So this is the way how we divide the byes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then 5, 6. In the same manner you can go. Next one that I am going to tell you about seeding. What is seeding? Seeding is given to the last year, to the previous year position holder team to avoid the chance of clashes with weak and strong team. So the teams, those who had done a wonderful job, had winner of the previous year team, they will got seeding. And the team who got seeding will directly play the quarter final. Got it? Next thing, that is fixture. So what is fixture? The systematic arrangement of team for the competitive fight is called fixture. So let me just tell you one more. Let us recapitulate. Bye is a sort of privilege given to a team, and the team who got bye will directly play the second round. What is the way to giving bye? First bye is always given to the last team of the lower half. Second bye is always given to the first team of the upper half. Third bye is always given to the first team of the lower half, and the fourth bye is always given to the last team of the upper half. If we talk about seeding, so seeding is given to the previous position order teams, and these teams will directly play the quarterfinals. They will directly play the quarterfinals. If we talk about fixture, the fixture is a systematic arrangement of team for the competitive fight. So this is all about the terminologies before you going to learn knockout tournament. Hello dear learners. So now today we are going to learn fixture. Okay, so which fixture we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn a knockout fixture. Okay, so let's see how to make a knockout fixture. So let's say our first question is to make a knockout fixture of 11 number of teams. How many teams is given to us? 11 number of teams is given to us. And now we are going, what is the first step that we will going to do? In the half portion we will do the calculation. What we will do? We will do the calculation. Alright, and in the half portion we will make the fixture. Alright, so see here, first what I am going to do, first step is to write the teams. 1, alright, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we had written over here all the number of teams. Alright. So the first step in the calculation is total number of teams. So what are the total number of teams? Very good. Total number of teams is equals to, how many teams do we have? We have 11 teams. Alright. Got it? Now come, the first step is to divide the team into upper half and lower half. Upper half and lower half. So you can write here number of teams in upper half. What you are going to write? Number of teams in upper half. So here we have a formula, and what is the formula? N plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for dividing the number of teams into upper and lower half. So for number of teams, if you want to divide the number of teams in upper half, so the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. Now the question arises, what this n exactly? So this n is the number of teams. So I will write here 11 plus 1. I hope you can do this. 11 plus 1, 12. And if you divide 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So here how many teams will be there? There will be the 6 teams. So in the upper half, how many teams will be there? 6 teams will be there. In upper half, how many teams will be there? There will be 6 teams. So you just draw a line here. Got it? Now how many teams will be in the lower half? So again there is a formula for that. So number of teams in lower half. So what's the formula for that? So to divide the number of teams into the lower half, so we have a formula here, n minus 1 divided by 2. So you will always have to keep in your mind that when you want to divide the number of teams in upper half and lower half. So for lower half, n minus 1 divided by 2. So here what is n? N is 11 minus 1 divided by 2. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2. So it becomes 5 teams. So now let's go and check how many teams are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are correct. Now what you can write here? You can write here upper half. And here we will write lower half. So we had done upper half and lower half. This is our first step. Now we will have to calculate how many byes we need to give. So in the earlier time I already told you what is by, what is sitting and what is fixture. So now again I am telling you what is by. By is a sort of privilege given to a team. Okay, and those team who got by, they will directly play the second round. So see, here we have 11 teams. If there will be 10 teams, each team will play with each and another. But here it is 11 teams. So one team or some teams will have to give by, but it decide according to the formula. So what is the formula to divide, to take out the number of byes? How you will calculate the number of byes? So here you just simple write by. Now what is the formula? You will have to take the power of n. Okay, x to the power n. See, how many teams are there? 11. So you will have to take the power of 2. Okay, 2 to the power n. You will have to calculate the power of 2's. Okay, you will have to take the multiples. See, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. See, I am repeating again. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So you will have to take a इस नंबर के पास वाला नंबर लेना है, 11 के पास वाला नंबर. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, but 8 is smaller than 11. So हम 11 के बड़ा या 11 के फर्स्ट जो इसके आसपास है, it means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. तो अभी हमें क्या मिला यहाँ पे? 16. Now how to calculate by? ये जो पावर है 16, इससे माइनस करना है नंबर ऑफ टीम्स. So as and when we minus the number of teams, 16 minus 11, we got 0, 5. So how many byes we got? The total number of byes 5. Got the concept? I repeat it again. First we need to take the power of 2 we will have to do. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. But 8 is smaller than 11, so we need to go once more. 8 to the 16. So okay, 60 is just above this. So 16 is in between 11. 11 is between 16. So 16. So कैसे calculate करोगे भाई? To calculate by just minus 16 minus 11. 11 is the number of total number of team. So 16 minus 11 is 5. Now the question comes how to divide this by here and there. So again there is a formula to divide the number of by's. Now let's see how to divide number of by's. So you write here that number of by's in upper half. So now what is the formula for number of by's in upper half? So it is very simple. See, when we was making the half, upper half and lower half, what we did? N plus 1. So just opposite you will have to do. And so the formula is NB, number of by, for upper half. Okay, for upper half the formula is NB, number of by minus 1 divided by 2. So how many number of by is there? See here, how many number of by? We have 5 by. Alright, kitni by hai hamare paas? We have 5 by. So you can do 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2. Got it? 5 minus 1 is 4 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So how many by's will be there in the upper half? In upper half there will be 2 by's. Then again there is another thing, that is number of by in lower half. So how many by's will be there in the lower half? So again there is a formula in lower half. जब हम 3 divide कर रहे थे upper and lower half में, so what we did n minus 1. तो just इसका opposite what will write here? NB, number of by's. यहाँ minus क्या था? Just keep in mind when we do upper half and lower half, we do plus and minus, but it is totally opposite if we talk in terms of by. So it will become NB minus 1 divided by 2, and for the upper half, for number of by's in upper half. If we talk about number of by's in lower half, so it becomes number of by's plus 1 divided by 2. What is NB? NB is the number of by. So here how many by's are there? There are total 5 by's plus 1 divided by 2. So 5 plus 1 it becomes 6 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So how many by's will be there in the lower half? There will be the 3 by's. There will be 3 by's in the lower half. Now see what is the pattern. How you give by, how you divide the by's in upper and lower half. It is the most important concept that you will have to learn. So just focus here. The first by, where we put the first by is always in the lower, last team of lower half. First by is always given to the last team of lower half. So this is by number 1. Got it? By number 1 कहाँ देते हैं हम? The first by is always given to the last team of this lower half. Second by is given to the first team of the upper half. By second. Got? I repeat again. First by is given to the last team of this lower half. Always. Second by is given to the first team of the upper half. Always. Third by is given to the first team of lower half. So by number third. Next by fourth. So by fourth is given to the last team of upper half. By 4. I hope you got this concept. Let me explain you again. By 1, by 2, by 3, by 4. क्या किया हमने? What we did? First by is always given to the last team of the lower half. Second by is given to the first team of the upper half. Third by is always given to the first team of the lower half, and fourth by is always given to the last team of the upper half. Now see, so this is the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if there is 5, so 5 will come here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and where will the 5 come now? Here. By number 5. So how many by's we were? We were having 5 by's. So I have distributed all the by's in a proper manner. many. I hope you got this concept how to divide the byes. Now check. In our calculation we did that number of byes in upper half is 2 and lower half is 3. So yes, in upper half we have 2 byes, in lower half we have 3 byes. Now start the matches. This is match number 1, which team number 2 and 3 they are playing, 4 and 5 they are playing, 8 and 9 they are playing. Okay, so all are playing. This is our round number 1. Got my concept? What is this? This is round number 1. So as I told you that by those team who got by, they will play from second round. So now the second round come. See, this by number 1 will play with this. See how? From this 2 and 3. From this 2 and 3, one team will win. Let's say team number 2 win. So now the match will be between Baiwala and any of these two, those who win. From here we will get one team. So this one team will do a match with this Bai. Again, this Bai will do a match with any of them. 8 or 9 में से कोई एक जीता होगा. Fine. In the last is both of the Bais will do the match. What is Bai? Let's say when you playing CBSE clusters, if the team is not there, so what we do, we generally do that the first round is free for you. In the second round, you can start to play. So it is our round number 2. Got? Now from here you get one team and from here you will get one team. So these two team will play. From here one and from here one you will play. Alright, so it becomes round number 2 and this is our round number 3. Round number 1, round number 2, round number 3. Got? Now again the next thing. This is from here we get one team. From here we get one team. So it will become the round number 4. What I can say? So now here the question is how to calculate the number of rounds. The calculation, is it my fixture is right? So how can I check the fixture is right or wrong? So there is a formula, the number of rounds. So for the number of rounds, the number of 2, see 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number of 2 is always equal to the number of rounds. Alright? This 1, 2, 3, 4. And the rounds are also 4. So it means our fixture is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power n is always equal to the number of rounds. So we have number of rounds 4. The next thing, what are the number of matches? How to calculate the number of matches in a fixture? So it is so simple. You can write here number of matches. So how to calculate the number of matches? There is the formula, total number of team minus 1. How to calculate the number of matches? Total number of team minus 1. So here is the formula we have, and the formula is to calculate the number of matches, total number of teams minus 1. So how many teams we have in total? We have 11 teams. So you can write 11 minus 1. It means there are 10 matches. Now if you want to check is it true or not, we can do the match number 1, 2, 3. In the first round 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last match is this 10. So yeah, we are correct. Now what are the themes we need to write in this box? Let's say this is final. So not in all the box, you just mention this thing in the single box only in this winner one. Okay. So here final, final. It means it is a final of which game? So let's say it is going on for Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho final. It is Kho-Kho final going on. So what is the time for this match? It should always should be. So let's say 11 p.m. or a.m. Alright, next that is what you need to mention. You need to mention ground number. Ground number. So let's say the match is going on in ground number 4. So these some of these things should be there in this boxes. So again, first thing is the first calculation thing is to write the total number of teams. Got my concept? First what we did how many total number of teams are there. The second thing we done is divide the teams in upper half and lower half. In upper half there is a formula n plus 1 divided by 2. We solve and we got 6 teams. In lower half the formula is n minus 1 divided by 2. We solve and we got the thing. Then now how to calculate y? So y can be calculated by the minimum power of 2 with respect to the number of teams. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Okay. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 is smaller than 11. 8 to the 16. So 16 minus 11. 11 that is the number of teams. 16 minus 11 become 15. So it's 16 minus 11 become 5, not 15. It become 5. So there are total 5 byes. Now what we did how to divide the number of byes. For upper half we do NP, number of byes minus 1. We got. For lower half what we did number of byes plus 1 and we got 3 byes. We distributed the byes here. What is the formula for distribution of the by? First by is always in the last team of the lower half. Second by is always in the first team of the upper half. Third by is always in the first team of lower half. And fourth by is always in the last team of the upper half. And in this manner, if we have lot of teams, we can divide like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can go in such a manner. And how to calculate? Again, keep in mind the rounds are always equal to this 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there will be 4 rounds. And what are the formula for calculating the number of matches? To calculate the number of matches, the formula is to number of team minus 1. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept. So you can note this. This is the most important question for our board exam. Thank you. So now we are going to learn to make the fixture of 23 teams. How many teams? 23 teams. Got? So now we are going to learn the fixture of 23 teams on the basis of knockout tournament. Okay? So before we start, I would like to say you that what is knockout? Knockout means if a team win, they will continue to play. If they defeat, they will be out from the tournament. Got? So now let us start. What is the first step? First step to divide it into, first thing we will do calculation. Okay, so here in calculation, okay, so what is the first thing to do? The first thing is to write the total number of teams. Total number of teams. What is the total number of team? The total number of team is 23. What is the total number of team? 23. So now let us come, we are just going to start writing the number of teams. So let's say the number of teams are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, it is 23, right? So 21, 22, 23. So I have done the written work, the first work, that is to write the number of teams. So I have done to writing the number of teams. Now the next question is to divide the number of teams in upper half. So what is the formula to divide the number of teams in upper half and lower half? The formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. So what is n? N is the number of team, that is 23 plus 1 divided by 2. So 23 plus 1, it means it is 24 divided by 2, it becomes 12 teams. So how many teams will be in the upper half? in upper half there will be 12 2s. Alright, so I am just going to make a line to see that there are 12 things in the upper half. So this is upper half and this is my lower half. I mentioned it here. Next, the number of teams in lower half. Alright, so what is the formula to calculate the number of teams in lower half? It is n minus 1 divided by 2. So here what you can do, that is 23 plus, sorry, not become plus, it become minus 1 divided by 2, that is 22. So here it is 22 divided by 2, it means it become 11. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are this. So it becomes 11 teams. So here let's check whether it is 11 team or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 and 12 teams are in the upside. Now we have to calculate the number of byes. Total number of byes. So you all very well know क्या है 2 की power n, right? So how many teams do we have? 23. Let's make the things. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 23 बड़ा है 16 से. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. कितना आया? How much we got? We got 32. So what we do? हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do 32 minus 16. Got? So 12 में से 6, so it become, just a second, it become 6 and it become 1. 16, is it right? Okay, fine. So how many by will be there? There will be 16 by. Alright? But why I minus 16? So that is what I had done wrong. So let me just erase it. So it is why I did this mistake? I did this mistake to tell you that generally students do the same mistake. What we need to do? We need to minus this 32 minus 23. Why I did the mistake? I did the mistake because generally students do. I want to show that this mistake should not be done. So you will have to minus 32 and 23. Alright? Got? So from 32 and we need to minus this. Alright? So here if we minus 12, so 12 it become 9 and 3, so it becomes 0. So how many by we have? We have 9 by. How many by we got? We got 9 by. Okay, alright? So now let's come, we are going to divide this total number of byes in upper half and lower half. Byes in upper half. Okay, so what is the formula for the number of byes in upper half? It is, you will have to see upper half and lower half we do n plus 1. So here you will have to write nb, that is number of byes minus 1 divided by 2. Alright? So here what you need to do, what is the number of byes? That is 9 minus 1 divided by 2. So it's become 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So how many byes are there in the upper half? There are 4 byes will be there in the upper half. Now the formula for byes in lower half. Lower half. So to calculate the byes in lower half, what we need to do? We need to do a simple thing, and the thing is, we need to write the formula, and the formula is NB number of by plus 1 divided by 2. So what is the total number of by? The total number of by is 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So 9 plus 1 it becomes 10 by 2. If we divide it, it becomes 5. So in the upper half we got the 4 byes and in the lower half we got the 5 byes. So now let us come, we are just going to put the number of byes in a proper place. So as you all know that we got total 9 byes. So now let us start to put the byes on a particular place. So first by is always given to the last team of lower half, by number 1. Second is by number 2. Third by number 3, that is given to the first team of the lower half. Fourth by is given to the last team of the upper half, that is by 4. Now come again, same procedure. By 5, then by 6, by 7, by 8, and the last one, that is by 9. So I hope you got this. This is a proper sequence. You will have to go by number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again there is 9. So it is very easy. Now we will do matches. Third and fourth have a matches. 5 and 6 match. 6 and 7 and 8. 9 and 10. Here 15 and 16 team will match. 17, 18, 19, 20. This is our round number 1. Before I write that, I would like to tell you how many rounds will be there. It depends on the power of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there will be 5 match. Let's see it is there or not. So I mentioned here that round 1 we done. Now we know that the number of byes is divided according to the formula which we had written over here. Now the next round, and I already told you that by, what is by? By is a sort of privilege given to a team, and the team who got by will directly play the second round. So let's have a match of this by now. So here like you can see by this by, okay, from 3 and 4 one team will win out. From 6 and 5 and 6 one team will 3. Now there will be the match of this winner teams. Here again from 7 and 8 there is a one team, and from 9 and 10 there is again a one team. There will be the match. Alright. Now this by, they have match in the second round. They also have a match in the second round. From here we get one team. From here we get one team. That's the match. From here we got one team, and this by, again one match. Here we have 2 by, again one match. So it become our round number 2. This is our round number 2. Now let's come on the next. So from these 2 teams we got one. In this 2 teams we got one team. There will be the match. In these 2 teams we got one team. In these 2 teams we got one team. Again there will be the match. Alright, from here these 2 teams will got 1. From in these 2 teams we will got 1. From here we will got one team, and from here we will got one team. So it is become our round number 3. Alright, now let's come on this. यहाँ से कोई एक team we got, and from here we get one team. So there will be the match of these teams. Again from this and this we will got one team. Now from here, one team from here, one team from here, and there will be the match. So it becomes round number 4 and it becomes round number 5. Got my concept? So here this is done with our, and you will have to write winner, and here you will have to write runner. So what is the winner? See, let's say team number 7. Okay, you can write here team number 7 is the winner, and you can write team number, you can take any of the team that you got here is, let's say 18. So 18 is the runner. Okay, you can write here from 1 and 2 who win, let's say 2 win. So you can write like this and you can do. So winner and runner you write, and you have to write some important things in this block. And what are the important things? That is, first it is a final. Which game? Let's say it is football. Okay, so now you will have to write the timings. Kab hai match? So timing will become 10 AM. Alright. match number. So if it is final, the match number will be 22 because the number of teams are 23. Now the next thing that we need to calculate is, we need to calculate how many rounds will be there. So number of rounds. What you will write here? I already told you that this number of 2 depends the number of rounds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of rounds is 5. Now the point is, what are the number of matches? So to calculate the number of matches, the point is the number of teams minus 1. So if we have 23 teams, we will minus 1. So how many matches will be there? 22. So now let's we'll check it. Is it 22 or not? So in first round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and this 22. So how many matches is there? 22. So this is the concept how to make a knockout fixture of 23 teams. I hope you got the concept. Thank you very much.